Hey friends, it's Miss Sheila, and today I'm going to talk to you about something that's really easy that you can use for lots of fine motor activities around your house, in the classroom, even in the car. And I'm only going to show you one tool that you need. What's this? Clothespin. You would be surprised. I'm often talking about manual dexterity, building that strength in our fingers and making them stronger. And I recommend using tweezers, using some kind of child-friendly tweezers that you can get things from. But sometimes, hey, look, we're at our house. We're quarantined. A clothespin will do. So you can use them to pick up things like pom-poms. Now, I'm a teacher, so I have a lot of these. They're little fuzzy balls. One of the greatest things that I do is to just shake a big box of pom-poms up in the air. They go everywhere, and the kids have a little snowball fight with them. And then ask them to clean up. If I didn't have these clothespins and I needed them to pick up the pom-poms with the clothespins, they wouldn't want to clean up. It'd be kind of boring. But I like to put on some fast music so we can dance, and we're going to clean up. I call it tong time because sometimes I do use salad tongs for some bigger items. You can have them pick up toys that they've been playing with on the floor. Pick it up, come on. And guess what? If your clothespin breaks, it's not a big deal. I also have something that I do. I call it getting the worms out of the hen house. So I will take a clothespin. This one's kind of melted, it's come apart. I'm gonna glue a googly eye on there. And usually I have feathers, they've all fallen off. And what my students do, I have pipe cleaner that I've chopped up. And this is the worm. They've got to get these worms out of here because we've got some baby chickens that are coming. Great fine motor activity. All I did, I went to Kroger. I bought some eggs. I ate the eggs. I kept the box. I painted the box. For the grass, I used just some shredded green construction paper. I'm sure your child would love to tear up some paper for you for this project. You can draw an eye on there if you don't have a googly eye. Googly eyes you can get at Michael's, you can get at Hobby Lobby, you can get at Walmart in the craft section, Joann's Fabrics. But if you're on a budget, hey, I could draw an eye on there. You can also use them for things, this is something a little bit higher level, but I've got my caterpillars, okay? And they've got to find a rhyming buddy. Top, they found top. Mop, once they found it, they're gonna clip it. Okay, and I also use this two ways. What do we have here? I'm looking for a letter. So I might have a bag of clothespins. And on the clothespin, I'll have different letters. And they'll say, let's see. S, sop. Well, that's not a word. And then they'll find one with a T. Oh, top. And they're going to clip it. They'll see the T on there. Top. Okay, and so that's an activity that they can do on their own. In fact, I keep mine here in a little Ziploc bag. That's all I need. And like I tell you so many times, you can use this when your child is in the car, when I call them busy bags, things that I put in my purse to use at church, sometimes in the grocery store. Even though we want our kids to be talking to us when we're in the grocery store, there are times when it is a little bit easier to have them working on their fine motor skills quietly using clothespins. So I hope that you learned. And if you need any clothespins and you can't afford them and you don't have any around your house, drop me a message.